Hey guys, it's Julie, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get these big voluminous waves. I love this hairstyle. It's perfect for when you want to curl your hair but you need something, you know, a little bit more than your normal everyday curl. Today I'm going to be using hair extensions by Eye for Design Hair. They're my favorite extensions. If you've watched this channel before, you know that I have pretty thick hair, but I still use hair extensions because it gives me that volume and length that I'm looking for. So I've found with my hair type, the extensions look more natural if I focus them in one place instead of putting some extensions at the top of my head and some at the bottom. I start off with the 2 4-clip extensions towards the middle of my head, and then from there I add the 3s and 2s in layers above the 4 clips. Just as a general rule, I tend to focus the extensions with more clips on them, so the 3s and 4s towards the back of the head. Then I use the extensions with 2 clips towards the front of my hair, that way they frame my face. For this look, I'm curling my hair with a 1-inch wand. It's better to curl in smaller pieces because they curl faster and stay longer. Sometimes when you're trying to speed through curling, you use big pieces, but those take longer to curl and they don't curl as well or stay as long. I'm alternating curling my hair away from the face and towards the face, and I'm doing this so they don't clump up. For this look, I want a very defined curl. An important part of blending your extensions into your natural hair is to get a piece of the extensions and a piece of your natural hair in each curl. Once you get to the front of your hair, I'd say about the last 4 curls, curl them all away from your face. And then you just repeat those steps for the rest of your hair. It is so important to run a brush through your curls. Brushing out your curls gives them a much more natural look. If you curled your hair tight enough and well enough, your curls should still stay defined after brushing them out. And here's the final look. Don't forget to hairspray your hair, and sometimes I like to add a Moroccan oil or argan oil to add shine and reduce frizz. I didn't do either of those things this time because I was honestly just taking the extensions out after this and going to bed. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you want a more comprehensive video of how I put in the extensions and why I put them where I put them. If you're interested in checking out Eye for Design Hair, I'll leave their website, their Instagram, all their socials down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.